Imagine waking up to this beautiful lake view or this blue pool right in front of your room. If you're one of those who are tired of the innumerous options in the city and is looking for something more, then this place could just be the answer. Welcome to the Amaya Resort Kolkata. In this video, let me show you around this new resort which is very nearby Kolkata, bang on the NH6 highway just opposite Azad Hind Uluberia. Location wise, the Amaya Resort is just an hour's drive from Kolkata. You can walk around, you can cycle around, but the resort offers you a 24/7 Toto tuk-tuk services, you may call, for guests to go around this huge panoramic resort. I had the privilege of being there recently and had access to many room types which is available inside. Let me show you around Amaya and also do a quick room tour of the 3 main room types this resort has to offer. The first is the Deluxe Room Garden View. Rooms are very spacious, very elegantly designed and offers a very peaceful and relaxing stay. Deluxe Room Lake View. The rooms have either a view of the swimming pool or the lake or the gardens. What I like is that there is individual balcony attached to each room. Bathroom could have been a bit more modern. The lack of bathtub was evident in all 3 categories of rooms I visited. And then there is a room which has a pool access. I don't know what they call it, probably a superior room with a pool access. This room is the most demanded room and it gets sold out fast. I found the pool access room to be the best among all these 3 since it gives you a direct access to the pool, and they also have a beautiful sitting area. Amaya also has an in-house restaurant which caters to limited menu options. The Viva restaurant and bar provides the best dining experience for guests. place is huge and has almost a calm, noiseless environment. It is almost 13 acres of greenery, which even has a man-made lake. While going around, I also found out that the resort has plans and provisions to make cottages and bungalows in the near future. Amaya provides a host of indoor and outdoor activities like cycling, archery, kayaking, water walking ball, provision to play games like cricket, badminton, table tennis, carom, and much more. They even have a huge temple inside the premises. Their social space is very spacious and fully decorated, and it is suitable for hosting all types of events. They have multiple business centers and a huge banquet hall with partition. The banquet hall is laid out over a 10,000 square feet area that includes 3,000 square feet of pre-function area. In terms of category, I would definitely say Amaya NH6 is in the luxury resort category. I found it to be ideal for staycation with friends and families. Well, regarding the pocket pinch, Amaya NH6 is a bit pricey as compared to the city's 5-star. I will provide some additional information as to the rates and menu as links in the description. Do let me know in the comment section below if you enjoyed the virtual tour of this place. Until next time, take care, and if you like the video, do like and share, and if possible subscribe to my small channel adrivwanderlust. Bye bye.